It's a movie, y'all. It's too late for that. I done said everything I need to say, so. But look at the background. Feet drowning. It's as far as I'm gonna go in the water. My main objective with this channel is to get people to live, like, you know, to no longer survive, to encourage y'all to get out there and make something happen. Like little fish and snakes that be in the rock and crabs, but we just made our way to Miami Beach. We're gonna get that beach video going for y'all, man. Right now, Miami is a movie. The sun ain't out. It's gonna be raining today. Oh yeah, be sure to be ready to pay for parking everywhere you go. I'm finna do mine right now. So when you're in Miami, pay by phone, which one I'm doing? Open link. Yeah, be prepared to pay for parking, y'all. But the beach that way, we finna go ahead and get to it. All right, making our way to the beach, y'all. We finna see if it's a movie. It's gonna be a movie regardless. We gonna see how the visuals are. And when I say movie, y'all, I mean the visuals. Y'all know I come to y'all with the crazy visuals. Here we go. So we headed to Miami Beach. It will rain today. Hopefully I could get a separate video out of that. It might be already up or it might be coming up soon, so I don't know. But yeah. Let's take y'all to see the ocean. I gotta change my shoes. I gotta pay my dues, because I ain't trying to get sand in the new J's. Look at that, y'all. It's empty because it's a weekday and the sun might not come out today, so. Oh, I wonder if these. Straight out the Penthouse, Miami Beach. It's hot crazy on tweets. We here, y'all. Miami Beach. Life is a movie. Nah, I mean. After days of hard work, we walking in the sand barefoot. We ain't getting in the ocean, but I'll get y'all a close up of the ocean. No, sir. You look like me, we don't do that. If you look like me, we don't do that. I'm just keeping it real, y'all. Yeah, y'all, we at Miami Beach. We just finna vibe out until it start raining, cause it will rain today. We gonna be in a tropical storm today. Yeah, got the feet in the sand. I ain't had my feet touch sand in about 5 years, it seemed like. But yeah, we on Miami Beach. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Nobody bringing it to you like I'm bringing it to you. I might turn this to a walk and tour. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling, but look like they shooting a movie over there. Let me finish packing up and let me see what we can get into. We gonna get into everything but that water. You know what I'm talking about? Man, let's get y'all to the water. Let's get y'all to the water. See what it's talking about. You got the rocks over there. You got visitors, lifeguards staying that way. I don't know how close I'm gonna get. Definitely gonna keep it moving, man. So the beach is definitely a place where you just want. Bro, hold on. What's that big black? I know there ain't no well. Not like a big dark shadow right there. Nah, man, but for real though. What I was saying was, beach is definitely a place to come when you're just trying to clear your mind. It's definitely something that I enjoy doing, at least in my adulthood. Oh, look, a pelican over there. I know y'all don't want to see me, but get the sights in, go sightseeing. You got the palm trees to your right. You got the beach to your left. City right in front of you. Definitely a great sight to see, man. I don't know if I want to get too close to this water, man. I know it's cold too. I'll let it hit my feet. That's about it. Because I need my feet to be clean. Oh, I'm sinking into the sand. Nah, but dang, further you go, the dirtier your feet get. I just came to clean my shoes. So I guess I could use this video to tell y'all more about me, man. Ain't really much to me, man. I'm just somebody who believe in living your life, man. I truly believe in not living for other people or making decisions based on other people, because in my mind, I believe that it's possible that we only have one life, one opportunity to, live, man. I think it's best that we cut everything else out that's not serving us, that's not gonna help us get better, help our life get better, so we could take long walks on the beach like this, and not have to be at work during the week. Or it gets deeper as it go that way. Me, man, I'm grateful. Just grateful to have a chance to be alive, man. Kind of a deep thinker. I'm someone who, understands, like, it took us a long time to be born. So I was born in 2000. Yeah, I'm an old head now. It took us a long time to be born. We don't know how long the earth been here, but it took us a long time to get here. And then when we gone, we're gonna be gone a lot longer than we've been here on earth. Let's just say that. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get my shoe. But I got my shoe lost in the water trying to clean it off. You're gonna be gone a lot longer than you lived on earth. So why not use the 100 years that you got if you lucky, man. Most people don't make it past 60. If you grew up in the neighborhoods that I did. But if you're lucky enough to make it to 80 or 90, man, them 80 or 90 years you got, 18 of them is you spend time being a kid. After 18 years, you become into adulthood. And then 65 years you got to live as an adult. That's not a lot of time if you break down the math. So my main objective with this channel is to get people to live, to no longer survive, to encourage y'all to get out there and make something happen, because life, it'll pass you by. And you don't want to work a job for the rest of your life. You don't always want to be behind on bills all your life, Yeah, so back to that life analogy. You never know how much time you have left. So you might as well spend that time doing what you want to do. If that makes sense, man. In 100 years, they ain't nobody's gonna remember you. In 100 years, nobody gonna remember you. They ain't even gonna remember your name. Your great-grandkids ain't gonna know your name. You're gonna be forgotten, man, with time. Grown-ups that lived 100 years ago, you can't name one that's in your family tree. So I said all that, man, I encourage y'all to go out and do what you want to do, man. Because it's better to lived and have never lived at all. Let's get up and go this way. Yeah. You get one chance at life, man. Don't waste it. It's something I had to learn. Like, as I got older, I learned that. As I wasted time on trying to make other people happy, trying to make other people satisfied, trying to make other people like me. You know? Don't waste time doing that, man. As long as you love yourself, and some people won't call it selfish, man, but I always told the people around me, like, sometimes you gotta go out and get it first. Like, sometimes you gotta be selfish to get it. And then you come back and help once you got it. Like, you know, you come back and help the people that stayed down for you. But you can't take everybody with you. It's gonna be too heavy of a load and y'all both gonna get nowhere. So that's kind of what I was getting at, man. We got some rocks over here. The rocks view. Yeah. Should be some crabs coming up on here. Take control of your life, man. That's really what my main point is. Take control of your life because it's your life. Nobody else is. You the only one with you when you go to bed at night and close your eyes. Only you are in your head. You know what you're thinking. You know what you're feeling. It's your world. Everybody else just living in it. And that's how y'all gotta treat it. That's how y'all gotta go about life. Make it your own. You know? Make it your own. Make it your own. So that's the main point I got. I would tell you that it's yours, so it's yours. Might be a kid. Take control of your life. Take control of it. Nobody else gonna do it but you. Nobody else can do it but you. So that's what I would say. And that's Miami Beach, man. Hopefully y'all got the message that I was trying to give, because I do talk a lot, so I lose my train of thought. So, but hopefully y'all got the gist of what I was saying. I wasn't just mumbling. And y'all take a step in that direction of, you know, going to go get your life. Because it's yours. Don't let nobody else have it. Don't let nobody else take it. This is the life. This is the life. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share, tell your friends about it, that we just went to Miami Beach together. And so, that's it. And we out.